Welcome to How to Elope in New York City. I am Veronica Moya, a wedding officiant and elopement coordinator since 2008. I've done it all. You have come to the right place. So let's start at the beginning. If you want to get married in New York City, the first thing that you need to be legally married is a marriage license. Contrary to popular belief, getting a marriage license in New York City is the easiest thing in the world. It's actually easier than getting one in Vegas. All you need is 3 days to be legally married here. So the first thing that you need to know is you need a piece of ID, any ID. No, you don't need a blood test, you don't need your birth certificate, you don't need anything. All you need is a piece of ID from anywhere. So if you're from Scotland, just bring your passport. If you're from Ecuador, bring your passport. If you are from New Jersey, bring your driver's license or, a regular ID, whatever you have. One piece of ID, that's all you need. You both need to be over 18 in the state of New York. And that's it, voila. So if you have a piece of ID issued by a government, that's great. That's point one. Number two, you go on the website of the city clerk's office and you make an appointment to see the city clerk. Making appointments is also very simple, very easy. You click, I'm going to show you here where to go. You have below all the links. Now, it's important that you know they put up appointments 3 weeks in advance, which means if it's March and you want to get married in July, it's too early. They're not going to have any appointments for June now, if it's March. So you need to try to get an appointment, go into the website to get an appointment up to 3 weeks before the date that you want the appointment for. Does that make sense? All right. So if you're getting married in July 2nd, you can go and try and get an appointment by the end of May or beginning of June, and then you will see appointments pop up for mid-June. All right. If you are from out of town, I always say all you need is 3 days. That's because the day that you arrive in New York City, let's say you take that day off, you arrived on a Thursday, you're tired, the plane is late, whatever. You don't want to do any paperwork on the day that you arrive. So we start the proceedings the next day. So let's say you arrive on a Thursday. You make sure that you have an appointment to get your marriage license for Friday. So on Friday morning, you wake up, have your breakfast, go downtown to City Clerk and collect your marriage license. The two of you have to go together in person. There's no more online appointments. If you are from out of town and somebody led you to believe that you can get your appointment for the marriage license online, they're lying to you. The city clerk will know that you're not here in New York City and they will get you out of the interview. Don't even try. During the pandemic, they were doing that. They were giving marriage licenses online. They don't do that anymore. The two of you have to go together. If one of you is incarcerated or is in the hospital, what's going to happen is the other person will go to the city clerk and that person has to pay for a cab fare for the city clerk's office to come and visit your spouse in jail or at the hospital. They will go with you. You take them to the hospital, whatever, and they have to see you together. They have to speak to this person and they have to be sound of mind. And then they will issue you marriage license. So, sorry, you arrive on Thursday, get your marriage license on Friday. Yeah, the city clerk's office is only open Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to, they say 4 p.m., but it's not true, to 3:30, 3:45 p.m. And if you got your marriage license on Friday, voila, you can be legally married on Saturday. I mean, you don't have to get married on Saturday. You can get married on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, whenever, any day. But the day that you receive your marriage license, you got your marriage license on Friday at 11 a.m., you have to wait 24 hours. So now you can get married on Saturday, the next day at 11 a.m. You cannot get married that Friday. You cannot get married on Saturday at 10 a.m. You have to wait 24 hours to be legally married. I hope this was helpful and I hope it was clear. If it isn't, please send me an email, call us, or just have us handle your wedding. We are the absolute best and most comprehensive wedding company here in New York City. Like I said, I have been doing this since 2008, and I have married thousands of couples from all over the world. So we are very, very well versed, very experienced, and we have amazing packages. And we even have a wedding chapel right here in Midtown Manhattan. You can come and have your ceremony, secular, civil ceremony, here in the Love Chapel NYC. So what are you waiting for? If you want the best informed person to handle your wedding, you should call me and let our team take care of your most important day in your life. Thank you guys for watching. I am looking forward to making your special day extra wonderful. All my love. Mwah.